recording. Go!
Go, Mary Poppins, go!
Go! Stop staring at the tree, you're wasting the time.
Staring at the tree?
Yeah.
Hey, it's not even like...
Hold it above your head, Mary Poppins.
Can I let go of it?
No, just stand there with your little umbrella.
Hey, no. Now that the tree fell. I can't catch any wind.
Because you're not holding it right. You're just gonna
Go where the tree is.
Go where the tree is?
just walk with the umbrella on top of your head.
Walk.
Hold on.
But getting my phone away.
Like, holy Jesus, Brennan. It is such a simple thing. Can you please just...
There it goes.
Oh,
You just did that!
Brennan, go walking.
Lock him out.
It's still recording too.
Yeah, your light's a little annoying.
I can't turn it off.
You realize...
I'm gonna go with you. Paris, come out and play.
He's not that smart when it comes to umbrellas and all of that.
Short drive away. Also get a free flight. You know that comes with a private island. Really? No, it comes with a hat. See, airline credit cards promise flights for 25,000 miles.
People are gonna be driving by. What the fuck?
That won't happen with the capital of one
Go away.
venture.
Bro.